Hello, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the shocks on the back glass of a 2003 Trailblazer. The first thing you want to do, got a little notch right here. You want to get a little flathead screwdriver, stick it in, pry that little clip back, and also at the top I have another one right here on the bottom. You want to pry that clip out as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and get my screwdriver, pry those two clips out, and remove this shock. Alright, got a little slot here. Put the screwdriver in, pry up the clip. Little slide on the top up here. Can't hardly see from the shadow. Tops out. All right, top and bottom's off. Go ahead and put the new one on. Okay, on the new shock, go ahead and lift up each clip on the bottom and the top. Go ahead and place your shock back on and push the clips back in. Now just go ahead and push the clips back in on the top and the bottom and you should be done. Okay, everything's complete. And as always, thanks for watching and have a good day.